Greetings, health enthusiasts. Are you ready to dive into the sensational world of age-defying secrets? Well, you're in for an absolute treat. Today, we're unraveling the captivating benefits of ginger that will leave you utterly astonished. And hey, if you're as intrigued as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button below because trust me, you won't want to miss out on more eye-opening insights like this. Imagine a root so potent, it's been hailed as a true elixir of vitality since ancient times. Drum roll, please, introducing ginger. But wait, before you think this is just your ordinary kitchen spice, think again. Benefit 1. Ginger's remarkable anti-aging arsenal. Just like a guardian of youth, ginger boasts an array of antioxidants that fight off those pesky free radicals, helping your skin stay radiant and youthful. Say goodbye to those dreaded fine lines and wrinkles. Your skin will thank you for this natural fountain of youth. Prepare the amaze by Benefit 2, the inflammation terminator. Ginger's powerful anti-inflammatory properties can give even the most stubborn inflammation a run for its money. Whether it's achy joints or muscle soreness, ginger steps in like a superhero to save the day. You'll be back to your active self in no time. Hold on to your seats because Benefit 3 is a game changer. Digestive dynamo, thy name is ginger. If you've ever experienced that post-meal discomfort, ginger is your new best friend. It aids digestion, fights bloating, and even waves goodbye to nausea. Now who wouldn't want that heavenly feeling after every meal? Are you ready for Benefit 4? Buckle up for the immune boost extravaganza. Ginger turbocharges your immune system, helping your body ward off those pesky invaders. Say goodbye to sick days and hello to a life full of energy and vitality. But wait, there's more. Benefit 5 will have you jumping for joy. Energy elixir, anyone? Wave goodbye to those mid-afternoon slumps and embrace the invigorating power of ginger. It's like nature's very own energy shot, keeping you on your toes and ready to conquer the world. And now, drumming up our grand finale, Benefit 6, Brain Booster Extraordinaire. Ginger doesn't just stop at the physical, it's a mental marvel too. With its neuroprotective properties, ginger promotes brain health, sharpening your cognitive prowess and keeping your mind as agile as ever. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. The awe-inspiring, age-defying magic of ginger, unraveled just for you. But remember, this is just the tip of the ginger iceberg. To stay in the loop with more mind-blowing insights that'll have you at the edge of your seat, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Thanks for joining me on this exhilarating ginger journey. Until next time, stay curious, stay vibrant, and as always, live your best life.